If you've ever struggled to make your Shopify product descriptions or blog posts more readable and engaging, this video is for you. In this video, I will guide you how to use List Element in PageFly to achieve that. First things first, let's access the List Element. Go to the Elements function on the left menu bar of the page editor. You can find the List Element here, or simply search for it using the search bar. There are 3 variants of the List Element to choose from. Select one and drag and drop it onto the page editor. Next, let's move on to the general configuration of List Element. Click on the list box and head over to the General tab. Here, you'll find the options to manage your list items. Click here to duplicate a list item. You can click here if you want to delete existing ones. Or click Add New Item to add more items to the element. Plus, you can easily change the order of these items by dragging the 3 dotted icons on the left of the item names. Right below the list item settings, you'll find the marker type settings. There are 14 marker types for you to choose from for the list. If you prefer not to display a marker type, simply choose the None option. You can also change the position of the marker type, either outside or inside, and adjust the spacing between list items using the item spacing and text indent options. Now let's dive into the styling configuration of List Element. Click on the list box, switch to the Styling tab, and you will have even more customization options at your disposal. For example, you can change the content color to your liking. Scroll down to the typography parameter, where you can choose the font family and adjust the font size. Furthermore, you can choose a background color. Moving on to the general configuration of List Item. The List Element contains individual list items. You can configure settings separately for each list item by clicking on the specific item. Head over to the General tab. In the Item Text section, you can easily insert and style the content of the list item like this. Scroll down, and you can choose to show or hide the icon for the list item. To change the icon, click the current icon and go to Icon Settings in the General tab. Click the Select Icon button. There are many icons for you to choose from. I will choose this one. You can also adjust the size of the icon. For unique styles for each list item, we'll head to the Styling configuration of List Item. Select a list item, switch to the Styling tab. As you can see, the styling settings of the list item are similar to the List Element styling settings. Let's change the content color of the item to make it stand out. Finally, to see how your list looks on the live page, simply save and publish your page and check the live view. And there you have it. Your beautifully customized list element is now live on your PageFly page. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.